Is it on? Is it rolling? Yep, it's on, it's on. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Henry, you are here on the State of Flux. Now, I should have done this ages ago. I don't know why I didn't. I should have done this at the start of my YouTube journey. However, you know what they say, better late than never, right? So I'm doing this video now. It is a short intro, a short insight, a short video clip of why I started my channel, what you'll find in my channel, and how it will help you. So yeah, let me just get into it. Hello again. Right, so on my channel you're gonna find a wide array of things ranging from fitness, travel vlogs, well, if we're ever allowed to travel again.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Yeah, let me not dwell on that. What did I say? Travel, fitness, general mindset, self-development stuff, being stronger in the mind as well as the body, because I'm all for helping people. And if you show me support, I can help you to help others. So help me to help you, help me to help you. See what I did there? It's a circle of life, man. You help one person, they help another, has a ripple effect. Okay, now I'm just waffling. Let me go on. Hello. Right, a quick insight into why my channel name is the way it is the name it is, sorry. The State of Flux. The State of Flux is a constant state of movement, fluctuation. It's never staying still. Oh shit, never staying still. And that's our role and job as humans. Like, we can't be staying in our comfort zone. We can't be staying at one level. We always gotta elevate and strive for new levels, new goals, new targets. So therefore being, as humans, we're constantly striving for new things. We're constantly moving in a state of motion, in a state of flux. That is why I called my channel The State of Flux, because as my channel grows in a constant state of movement, that is the role of others to constantly grow, develop and learn. So that's some knowledge for your ass. Hello there, I've been expecting you. No, I'm just messing around. Right, my YouTube journey so far has been an interesting one, to say the least. Has it been fun? Yes. Have I enjoyed it? Yeah, pretty much so. Is it easy? Hell no. This YouTube thing is a beast, but I'm gonna tame it. I will. But I cannot do that without the help and support of you guys, my friends, my family, and possibly you strangers, whoever's watching this. Help your boy out. Trust me, it won't be in vain. Obviously my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, because I don't know, that seems to be the magic number with YouTube. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, they then realize that, okay, you've got enough of a following to push more of your content out there to reach more people. And then I don't know why, because I think with 1,000 followers, subscribers, you're eligible for monetization, which means you can earn YouTube money as well as yourself. Now, I'm not doing this for the money. It would be nice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not doing this for the money, but I just want to be able to get my content reach out there to help as many people as possible. Because let's face it, your boy gives good advice. So that's gonna be it. I'm gonna wrap this up because I've been waffling for, I don't know how long this is, but I've waffled enough. If you want to see more of me, you know what to do. Subscribe to your boy's channel, watch the content that's there. You can see the progress I've made from when I started to now, and the content creation in quality has increased and got better. So make sure you do that, as well as subscribe, like some of my videos, comment on it too, because then it shows some engagement. YouTube likes to see that. I can't believe I'm saying all this, but you know what, I'm not a person to sugarcoat anything. I'm just gonna say it as it is. So you helping me, it really helps me out. Yeah, you support me, really helps me out. It shows YouTube that people are actually interested in my content. And I'm not going to tell you to watch all my videos to the end, but at least watch half of it, because the watch time also helps towards helping my channel grow as well. So I would really appreciate it. So on that note, I'm going to leave it at that. So take it easy, guys. Oh yeah, also, if you don't show no love or support to your boy, then you're a pagan and your best things. I'm not asking for a lot, just a little bit. Not a lot, man, girl, just a little bit. Yeah, support your boy. See you later.